Welcome to the OpenMC Windows installation video. This is a native Windows OpenMC executable with zero dependencies. You don't need file Docker, no virtual machines or any virtual subsystem of Linux required. So this is a native OpenMC installer file. From this we can run OpenMC natively without any dependencies. So first thing, you have to head over to this website. I have given the link in the description. So this is the OpenMC Windows page. Here I have given all the details of the OpenMC installers. So here you can check out all the details of the OpenMC Windows installer and head out to the download from GitHub's link, where you can see all the installation instructions I have given there and all the dependencies required to install the OpenMC in your Windows system without any dependencies. So we can give our feedback here also. And if you have not installed the Python, so kindly go to the Python website and install the Python. I'm using Python 3.14. And also you need to have the OpenMC HDFI cross-section data file. This also natively supports OpenMC Windows HDFI cross-section. So head over to OpenMC cross-section data website. So download whatever the desired cross-section required. For this one I have chosen ENDF 7.1 HDFI cross-sections, and these are the installation steps. So scroll down and you will get the OpenMC Windows installer executable. Just download it in your system, save it. So after saving, the first thing, anything you have to do is just configure the install the Python and configure the ENDF cross sections. So I have already extracted all the cross section. First thing you have to verify is the Python version. So check Python hyphen version whether it is installed. So this is required to run your OpenMC Python API input examples and all, and also check whether pip is installed. This is required to install the OpenMC module that is given along with the OpenMC installer. So both are working right now, and you have to extract the cross section and keep it in a folder such that OpenMC can use it later. So I will show you. I have extracted here in D drive ENDF 7.1. So look at the folder which contains cross-section.xml file. So this is the folder which has the cross-section.xml file. This directory is needed for the installation of the OpenMC, and head over to the OpenMC installer and just run it. So this will walk you through the installation procedure. So this is where your OpenMC is being installed. Program files 86 OpenMC directory. Just click next, and here you have to give the folder which contains cross-section.xml file. In my case it is D drive ENDF 7.1, and this folder contains the cross-section XML file as you have seen before. Okay, just hit next and just hit next. This is the default name this will be installed with, and add OpenMC to the path. This has to be checked, don't leave it unchecked. This will put your OpenMC into the system path so that you can run OpenMC anywhere. Now the installation is getting started. It is unzipping all the DLLs and installing in your system. So this will take some time depending on your system speed and also your internet connection also, because it is going to install all the OpenMC Python module dependencies also. So depending on your internet speed, this may take some time to download and install all the OpenMC dependency module. This is going to start in a minute. I think my internet connection is slow. Okay, now it is started. So now it is installing all the dependencies for the OpenMC Python module. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's done now. Okay, now you are ready to use OpenMC. Now just click finish. You don't need to visit the website again. Okay, hit finish. Okay, now to take the all the now I will show you the folder where it is installed. Open your program files 86 and OpenMC. Here you have the drive. Just open it, you will see all the DLL files and the OpenMC executable. So this is a completely native OpenMC software that you have just installed. No Docker, nothing is required. Okay, absolutely nothing is required. So I have copied the examples and I will create a folder. Let's say OpenMC. I'm pasting all the examples there so that I can run it later. Okay, I'm keeping the example file here, so you can run any example once the sample example runs. So to take the in order to have the path variable work finally, you have to sign out and sign in back to your Windows account so that the cross section variable and the path variable gets updated. And after that you just open a PowerShell window, just hit Ctrl Shift right click and open PowerShell. Then you have to check whether OpenMC is working. Just type OpenMC space hyphen version. This should work if your installation is succeeded and the path variable is set. Okay, now it is working for me. And also you have to check whether the pip install OpenMC module is there, so that you can write your Python script and run directly. Go start the Python and just import the OpenMC module. This may take some time depending on your system. And once the import is done, just print the OpenMC module version. You have to just print OpenMC dot underscore version underscore, close the bracket and hit enter. It should work. This is 15.3. It is working fine. Okay, now we will head over to running our first example. Okay, inside the example we have the Jezebel file. Okay, this is a Jezebel.py. So from the PowerShell I will redirect to the example Jezebel folder, cd to OpenMC examples Jezebel. Okay, now just run this Python file with your Python executable python Jezebel.py. This should work if everything you have set correctly. Okay, now we'll hit enter and wait. Okay, now I'm executing this command. Okay, the OpenMC is not working fine. Congratulations. So I think you have understood all the steps. It is very straightforward. You have to unpack the cross sections and just run the installer and configure it, sign out, sign in, just run the example. That's all it is. Thank you guys, and check out the OpenMC blog page, and thank you for watching.